my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. My name is Kenisha. If you're not, what's up, K Squad? So in today's video we are going to be doing a 15-minute makeup challenge. For me, it's a struggle because your girl likes to take her time when she do her makeup. I take a good 30, I won't even say 30, I would say about 45 minutes to do my makeup. Even if it's like the most simplest makeup look, it takes me a while to do my makeup just because I like to just take my time. I like to chill. I put on like my good music. I listen to like really chill music. Give me some Her, give me some Snow, give me some Summer Walker, Sabrina, Janae Aiko. I'm telling you, I just like to chill. I be super relaxed. I just be in my own zone. I be in my own world. That's why most of the time I be late for stuff. So this challenge is something that I really wanted to do. I really wanted to see if I can really get my makeup done in 15 minutes and make it look decent. This is obviously the makeup look. So if y'all want to see how I got this, then just continue to watch. But before you do, make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, join the K Squad, and don't forget to share this video if you loved it. And also, let's connect. Follow me on all my social media. Everything is at kenishia.lashay. And yes, you guys, are y'all ready? I'm ready. Y'all ready? Y'all sure? Okay. So, without any further ado, here is my 15-minute makeup challenge. 15 minutes. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with complexion, obviously, because I feel like complexion is so easy to get through. So I'm going in with my Milk HydroGrip face primer, and I'm just going to put this all over my face. So I am going to use a new foundation today. I've been had it for quite some time. I just never used it. So this is going to be interesting. So this is the Givenchy Teint Couture foundation. This is a 24-hour satin finish full coverage comfort foundation. I'm gonna use a beauty blender because I feel like when I use a beauty blender I can go a little faster. So y'all look at this color. Oh my god. Okay, no. So I got this. I did not pick this color out. I got this in gratis for work, and yeah, we're gonna go with it, you know. We're gonna roll with this. It does have a slight smell to it. It's not like bad or anything. It's pretty nice. It's like yellow. Oh wow, look at, oh my god, it's like really yellow. I think this was harder than the no mirror makeup challenge because I can see what I need to blend out, and it's like I hope I have enough time to blend this out. Okay, you know what? Where'd my brush go? I'm gonna move on to my brush. I like using my brush, honestly. I like using a brush because I feel like I can buff out the product a little bit better, opposed to a beauty blender sometimes, because I feel like with the beauty blender you gotta really sit there and blend it out. And with my brush, I feel like I can blend it out really nice, really fast. Then I'll go in with the beauty blender and just, you know, get any edges or anything. It is a little bit on the yellow side, but we're going to try to fix that with some contouring. So I'm gonna use my Fenty contouring stick. Okay, so I do want to try that Fenty, the cream, the compact, because I do like my cream contours to be like in a compact or whatever. So I do want to try that. I'm a little bit nervous on trying the blush just because I feel like with my skin, I feel like it might be a little bit, I don't know. Oh y'all, this foundation looks a mess. Why did I do this? Oh my gosh, this don't see this. I feel like this is worse than the no mirror because I'm looking at my face. I'm like, oh shoot, I need to blend this out. I need to blend this out. You know, when you got your mirror, like, yeah girl, this look good. I know this look good, but okay, so I'm gonna try to balance out my face. I'm gonna use my I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I am using the shade Tan Sand, and I'm not gonna put on too much of this, just a little bit to brighten me up. And the foundation, I only just did one layer. I feel like if I would have did two, it would have covered a little bit better. Because right now I feel like this is about medium coverage, but I feel like if I did like one more layer, it would have looked really, really nice. And I am going to take this concealer over my eye as well. Usually time too, you guys. Honestly, I feel like I don't even do like full coverage foundation anymore like I used to. When I first started wearing makeup, I used to do like full coverage, like for real. But now I feel like I do about medium coverage. I think because I don't want it to look too cakey. Okay, I'm starting to balance out a little bit. I feel like maybe I'm gonna add a little bit more. How much? Oh, okay, we got 9 minutes. Okay, that's not too bad. I feel like we are good. I'm gonna blend out a little bit more. For some reason, this is starting to crease a lot. The Shape Tape, it never really done that before. So I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent powder just to set under my eye area because I am creasing like crazy for some reason. Maybe it's the foundation. I'm gonna put on a little bit more. My husband is cooking right now, so excuse him. Okay, next I'm going to finish the complexion. I'm going to put on my Fenty bronzer. This is in the shade Caramel Cutie, and I'm just going to warm up the skin just to give me a little bit more warmth. Honestly, I must say I really do, hold on because this annoying. I really do like this bronzing powder. I'm gonna take a little bit more of my translucent powder and cut underneath my jaw. And I also want to put some here because I do get oily there. Okay, I feel like complexion. Bruh. Sorry, you guys. I feel like complexion is pretty much done for right now. I'm gonna move on to my brows. Time 6 minutes. Okay, calm down. You got 6 minutes. What can I do? Let's do brows. Okay, I'm gonna fill. Oh my god, and I need like some concealer. These look, oh, these look so bad. I'm trying to make it even. I'm telling y'all, this is so much worse than no mirror. Because like with the no mirror, you're not worrying about like blending and all of that. I mean, think you are, but you know, when you look in the mirror, you're like, yeah girl, I did not blend. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit tight with my brows. I'm gonna come back to my brows because I feel like I can probably finesse those a little bit more. But I'm gonna take my bronzer and use this as an eyeshadow. I love doing this trick because it makes it look like you actually spent time, you know, trying to do your eyes, but it only took you like 1 second. So this is something I always do, like all the time when I don't want to wear like eyeshadow. I love doing bronzer. All right. Okay, so let's dust off. Time 4 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of my foundation powder. This is from Bobbi Brown, and I'm just gonna put this over my face just to make sure everything is blended out. I thought this was gonna be like a breeze, but this is low-key kind of hard. Okay, so I'm gonna do color on my lip just because everything is soft. Okay, so I'm gonna do Bobbi Brown. This is the color Vibrant Violet. Oh my god, y'all. Girl. Okay, now let's move on to lashes. Just some mascara. I was about to pop on some lashes, but I'm like, I don't have time to do that. Okay. Oh, highlight. I'm gonna use my Artist Couture Conceited. This is a loose powder, so I usually just grab whatever is on the top and just give me a little bit of a glow. Oh shoot. Okay, let me spray. I kind of want to fix my brows, honestly. I'm using the Kat Von D setting spray and Period. Hold on, let me fix my brows. Oh, we got 1 minute left. Okay, cool. We can fix these brows, girl. We got 1 minute 16 seconds. I really need to fix this lip though. Do I want to dart and do this? What do I want to fix more? My lip or the brow? My lip or the brow? My lip. And that's it. Oh! Okay, so you guys, let's see. I'm gonna take my mirror and go a little closer. Actually, yeah, this lip, oh god, this lip is messed up. My brow's not even blended out. Wow. I got highlighter down here, you guys. Oh. Wow. Oh, you know what, it would have been cute if I would have took some liner, like a light liner, like beige or taupe or something, and popped it there. Oh, that would have been so cute. So this is my 15-minute look. I hope y'all like this video. This was something just quick and easy. I was like, let me just do this, because I always seen it on YouTube and I always wanted to do one, so I just thought, let me just do it too. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, K-Squad. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, and also comment something that you liked about it, and comment if you can do your makeup in 15 minutes. Let me know. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next upload. Bye, K-Squad.